Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Professor Abdul Ghani Butt, has said that the Kashmir dispute is the main cause of tension between Pakistan and India, and the two countries should resolve it through a peaceful dialogue process. Professor Abdul Ghani Butt, in a statement issued in Srinagar today, said that war is no option, which only brings destruction and which should never happen, but in the presence of conflicts and tense situation, anything can happen. Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred one more youth today. The troops martyred the youth in a fake encounter during a cordon and search operation in Dassal Mehari area of the Rajouri district of the Jammu region. The operation was going on till the last reports came in. Operation Blue Star, the code name of Indian Army's 1984 assault on the Golden Temple, the sixth holiest shrine in Amritsar, was a brazen act of state-sponsored terrorism against the Sikh community, while human rights violations were being perpetrated against the Sikhs across India. Even before the Operation Blue Star, the storming of the Golden Temple in Amritsar was an official beginning of such violations and systematic purge of Sikhs in India, said a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today. The Operation Blue Star was launched on 2nd June 1984. A Kashmiri activist, Waqar Bhatti, has been booked by the Jammu police. The Jammu police claimed that the activist was booked on the charges of fanning communal divide and outraging religious feelings of the people belonging to a particular community on Thursday. Waqar was booked on the complaint of Rashtriya Bajrang Dal chief of the Jammu and Kashmir unit, Rakesh Kumar. Amid the reports of violence in the Indian state of Manipur, as the Home Minister Amit Shah visited the state around 25 days after the brutal ethnic violence broke out, Kuki MLAs have demanded the removal of the Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. Leader of the Indian National Congress, Rahul Gandhi, has said that the press freedom is under threat in India under the rule of Bharatiya Janata Party, and that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is orchestrating capture of institutions in the country. Rahul Gandhi, during an interaction with a journalist at the National Press Club in Washington, D.C., said press freedom is very critical for a functional democracy and one should be open to criticism. National Conference Women's Wing President Shamima Firdaus has said that the maintaining unity and discipline is must in the movement for the restoration of the rights of the people of the territory. Shamima Firdaus was addressing a meeting of the Working Committee of National Conference Women Wing at the party headquarters in Srinagar.